everybody. I'm Will Sampson. Hey everybody, we at PF Chang's. Getting ready to get our grub on.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. There he is.
Yeah, what's up, people? Yeah.
So we getting ready to get something to eat. And when our food comes, I'll show you what we got. Alright.
I'm sounding like new money.
Okay, this is what we got, y'all. We got, Samson got the miso salmon, the miso salmon, and we got the vegetarian fried rice, because they have a fried rice with the oyster sauce. And I don't eat no shellfish because I'm allergic to shellfish. And then we have the sweet and sour chicken right here for me. And we got some teas on the table. So, bon appetit. Yep, bon appetit. Oh, that looks so good.